Everybody, this is Beachcricket, and I'm inside Shadow Babe, and we are going to make some shrimp. What do they call them? Firecrackers, I think. Yeah, and it's really easy. It's hot sauce shrimp, and then you bake them wrapped up in some bacon. Yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Follow me. I'll show you how to do it. Okay, see this? Here we are. We put shrimp in a bowl. And then we just cover it with any of your favorite hot sauce. Mix it all up really good. We're going to take each one and we're going to wrap it with bacon and put it on a cookie tray on some parchment paper and let it crisp up. Okay, so what you do is you simply wrap those, after they've been soaking in hot sauce, you wrap a piece of bacon, a half a slice of bacon, because this is the pre-cooked bacon. You use half a slice and then you top it with what's remaining in the bowl. And there you go. You're going to have some firecracker shrimp. Ooh, and it's going to be delicious. So let's get that put in the oven. Okay. I just took them out of the oven and they look fabulous. So you must try this. This is so easy, y'all. It's just easy as can be. Nothing to it. So, alright. All these fun things to have and to nibble on, especially when football season's going on. Yeah, this is good stuff. This flew into my bus. Pretty cool, huh? And a little moth. Not budging. I hope that you enjoyed this. Give it a thumbs up. See the bus? Hey, it's kind of in good shape here. Not too messy with me cooking and playing today. Anyway, wake up and live, people. Have your adventures. Enjoy your life because it's yours. And this is Beachcricket saying out. Nomad life rocks. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye. Love you guys.